Welcome to Vertigo Heights. This is our game ReRun. This is an open world parkour kind of sandbox space for you to run, jump, climb, do some quests, and complete races. In this demo, I'm going to be showing you two of our core game loops, which is quests, which you can see on screen here. I'm collecting these items from an NPC that is requesting them. And I will also be showing you the races, which basically be another primary element to our thing. Afterwards, if there's time left, I will be showing you the city. Just do a quick run through. But for now, this is what we have. Throughout the city, you'll find different NPCs that do different things. The first one was me completing a quest. You can talk to these NPCs. They'll give you fetch quests because we know everyone loves fetch quests. So why not include them in our game? In the future, if we had more time for the project, we would probably implement different types of quests. But for now, this is going to be our limitation. For races, you can talk to NPCs and they'll start a nice cinematic for you, which will guide you along the approximate path, which you may or may not want to follow, followed by a countdown after the cinematic ends, and you're good to go. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to follow just the easiest path, so that it's not too complicated and keeps the video length a little bit shorter. But essentially, you would follow path, use your different maneuver mechanics to reach different spaces. We have 5 different maneuvers: ledge grabbing, rail grinding, wall running, ziplining, and your bounce pads. Those are your 5 core interactions within the city that allow you to access different parts of the world. And I'm gonna miss that. No. Not gonna make it, so let's grab that. Different races have different, focuses. This race here that I'm doing is called our tower climb. The tower climb is a fairly slower race in terms of mobility, focusing on climbing and scaling the city, the tallest structure in the city, focusing on the risk of falling being the biggest hazard here. One mistake can cost you everything and have to either force you to restart or accept that your time will not be ideal. So as we climb here, you get a nice view of the city up to the left of the screen there. And then when we reach the top, we'll be rewarded with that same view. Let's jump here. Throughout the city, there are other objects hidden. We have collectibles around the city hidden from you for you to explore and collect in your own time. Another method or tool that we're using to encourage exploration. This is our intention was to create that open world experience, knowing very well that we are very limited in how much we could do in a certain span of time. Right there you see I complete the quest, and I quickly follow up by collecting an object, one of the collectibles around the world. Now with my final minute, I will just run around the city, kind of give you a sense of our game space. We have several different zones, some interior, some exterior. Still looking to populate with some more assets, but overall we're kind of happy with how the space turned out, knowing our limitations, especially the learning process. And when we moving forward, we're hoping that we can complete our networking from our distributed systems class to create a nice networked experience for multiple players to kind of run and jump and explore around the city and participate in races like that as well. We have a construction yard, market, current work in progress. It has some apartments for us to explore around. Nice. Everyone loves the Go station, so we decided to add like a bus station and train station. So here's the bus station. The bus will pull in. Your train rail up above, and then mall with an interior space there that leads straight to the station to create a little bit more dynamic spaces. And yeah. so far that's what we have completed for ReRun.